This summit had a special focus on collaborative innovation and how we can actually create shared value. Instead of working in our own silos as an industry, as policymakers, or as catalysts, how can we all collaborate and actually create synergies which are larger than the whole? So, the whole summit, the tone of the summit was collaborative innovation, if I could just use that phrase. The summit this time saw quite a few new conversations and forward-looking conversations. So, a few examples that I can give would be of shaping new age ecosystems, especially in urban areas. So, the concept of smart cities and the kind of infrastructure that's needed, the metrics that are required to even go start planning what is meant by a smart city. We also had conversations on sustainable transport, more focused on logistics of the Indian industry, how they can go for greener options, which are still lower cost options. We also had touched upon a few key areas related to understanding resources as a risk to business, specifically focusing on water as a business risk, what kind of benchmarking can be done in resource management to improve the existing measurements and processes which are there in the industry, focused on a few key verticals, of course. I think Indian industry has moved from having a mindset which is purely CSR based and more philanthropy oriented to actually realizing and understanding the definition of sustainability in business. This summit, fortunately, you saw a shift in the thinking where people were interested in defining a call to action. It was not just conversation in a theoretical sense, but it was a conversation driven by what actual measures and actions people can take. We had an overwhelming participation of around 250 key sustainability leaders and thinkers from Indian businesses, policy makers, as well as a few catalyst institutions who have been deeply engaged in the conversation of sustainability in India. We saw a healthy mix of both large corporates as well as the small innovators and startups who are coming up with solutions to problems associated with business sustainability.